Okay, now what is our job now? To make that philosophy bit scientific. That's all our job now. So what are the terms in the philosophy we have? What are the terms? Mind, Atma, Karma. You have karma theory? You have karma. What are all those things? What's the definition for karma? What's the definition for mind? So we are making it more scientific. That's all. Then things are clear. I know what is Atma. I know what is mind. Once I know what is mind, I can maneuver the mind. If I am to maneuver the mind, I must know what it is. Is that not? You cannot repair a bicycle without having ever seen the cycle. If you are to repair the cell phone, something has gone wrong, you must have seen the cell phone already. So unless you understand what is mind, you cannot maneuver the mind. So it is very imperative to know what is mind first, and then how to maneuver the mind. Okay, fine. Now we come to the definitions. For the definitions, a simple comparison, that's all. We'll make it very clear. You have a TV in your house. TV. What is that? It contains what? A physical body, which you can touch. Right? A TV contains a physical box where you can touch. Okay. Suppose you want to use a TV, what do? You send the current. Okay? The current, what it does, it energizes every part of the body, the TV, and coordinates that, keeps it ready to operate. And then what? You are getting what into? What are you getting inside then? Yeah? Electricity? That's current. Box is there. The moment you put the current, you will be able to see the picture. What do you get then? We are making use of the TV daily. You have the TV box, you have put on the switch. Do you think the picture will come?
Some signal.
Right? You are right. Yeah. What is the third one?
Station. RF signals. Radio frequency signals.
No, what is normally you say in your house?
Audio, video.
You need what now? Signal. Use a simple word, physical word in the house. You don't say in the house RF frequency.
He does in his house.
Simple thing, signal. You must receive the signal for which you are paying to somebody else. Is that not? Simple, signal. So three things are necessary. What are the three things? The box, the current, and what? The signal. Now you say to the people, what do you mean by signal? It is a wave, that's all. It is a wave. And your pet name is signal, that's all. Is that not? Your son's name is Ramakrishnan, but what do you call Ramo? Is that not? Pet name. Really it is a wave. Coming from where? The wave you are getting, the signal you are getting, coming from where?
The TV station.
Huh?
TV station.
Yeah, good.
Station.
TV station. Whether it is Raj TV or what? Or Jaya TV? Or Sun TV? Some people is sending that. TV station, that's right. Okay? So, you need three entities for the picture to appear. the box, the current, and what? The signal. Now, signal is a colloquial word. But really it is what? A wave, that's all. Coming from some TV station. Suppose you are saying, sir, in our house there is a current. And the signal also is going through our house to the next house. Its signal is there in our house. But the picture is not appearing. What do you say? In our house there is a current. Signal is going inside our house. It is going to the next house. But the picture is not there. Are buy the TV box. Without TV box, how do you have the same picture then? TV box is necessary. All the three are necessary. Without one, nothing is there. All right. Now we are closing in. We are closing in. Now, you are watching the TV. Okay, you have received some signal from some station. You have received. But the speaker, is it not? He is telling wrong things about the person whom you love. You don't like that. What you do? Are you changing the box? Saying that this TV is not, he is telling all sorts of things about my leader. Change the box. Are you changing the box? No. Are you changing the current? No. What you are changing? Again signal. Now you stop the signal you have received, receive the signal from somewhere else, some other station. This you have stopped it. Therefore, what you hear, what you see in the picture is recorded where? In the box? Where it is recorded? In the current? No. In the box? No. Where it is recorded? In the signal. The signal carries it. If you don't like that, change the signal. Is it not? Therefore, now the TV box, current, and what? And a signal. All the three put together, TV will function. To record, you need a wave. To record. They record on what? A wave, and they send a wave. So recording can be done only in a wave. Wave is necessary to record anything. Okay? You underline the word. Wave is necessary to record any information. There is a satellite there. You have to operate a satellite. You are sending some signal. What they do? They put the instruction in the wave. They are sending what? The wave. So recording can be done only in a wave system. Okay? Right. Now put everything together. You are going to a film. You are witnessing a Tamil film or a Hindi film. There is a beautiful song which you like. A very beautiful raga song. You like it. After 10 days, when you are going for a walk, are you able to sing the song or not? Not full line, not full song, at least what? At least what? A few lines. It is coming in from you, is it not? Where it got recorded? Unless it got recorded, it cannot come out. That song you heard about 10 days ago, now you are able to sing. Where it got recorded? Where? Only a minute ago I told what? We have come to a conclusion. Only in a wave recording can be done. So put together, there is a recording inside me. That is why things are coming out. So inside me, there must be what? A logic, that's all. Inside me, there must be what? A wave, good. Inside us, there is a wave system. Otherwise, your life is not there. That system, the wave is all the important, but we don't realize that. Now I am asking your name. You are telling that. Because why? Your name is recorded there. If the wave system is not there, you won't be able to tell anything. Everything, what you studied, it is there in your wave. Otherwise, what is the use of saying that I am a BA, mechanical? If the wave is not there, nothing is there. No recording is there. So life is not a life without the wave. Okay, such an important one, but we don't not paid any attention. We have not paid any attention. That is giving us a life. Okay, who is your father's name? You will tell now. Because what? Recorded. What is recorded here only will come out. Not recorded, it won't. Nothing is there. Suppose you ask me to talk for 3 minutes in French language. I can't. Why? From here, French language will not come out. Why? I have not recorded that. Such a simple thing. Okay? Right? So, all your experiences which you have got through your 5 senses, reading, smelling, oh, this is jasmine, the smell is like that. Hearing, touching, everything, all your experiences are recorded inside. In what? In a wave system. But you may say, sir, suppose really if there is a wave system, when the doctor opens the body for operation, he would have told, what a beautiful wave you have. But no doctor said that. Why?
You cannot see.
Yes?
You cannot see that.
Yeah, exactly. You cannot see that. That's the limitation of your eye. You just go behind your TV box. Are you seeing the wave there? No. But the wave is there. The recording is there. The song is there. Everything is there. But you are not able to see. Similarly, the wave is there. When the doctor opens, he is not able to see that. He sees the heart, he sees the spleen, the bone, everything he sees, but not the wave. That is why it has not become popular. But there is a wave system inside us. And that is the cause for our memory. Otherwise, our memory is not there. Okay? Right.